Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to my latest unboxing video. And so far everything I ordered in the last 12 months finally arrived. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one because I waited 6 months to get that. This is one of the examples why record collecting now is a very tough business. Because you know it. There's a release coming out and it's been sold out within 5 minutes or 30 minutes, and the only chance to get it is on the secondary market for double or triple of the price. And I'm not willing to support this. I do understand if some of you is saying, wow, I waited a lifetime for this re-release or whatever, and the retail price was 100 and now it's about 500. Yeah, but no, I'm not doing this. In this case, I'm just saying, okay, I have to drop that release because it's insane to pay these kind of prices. And it's also happening with used records. When I was looking for soul and disco records, I do have a want list, of course, like most of you guys do. And I checked some of their records a few months ago, and I'm always looking for sellers who have 2 or 3 or 4 things from my want list, so I'm saving postage money. And like I said, the price was between 8 to 15 euro. Now the same record is 20 to 25 euro in some cases, and this is just like insane. So I'm pretty excited that the Mega Record Store Fair in the Netherlands is taking place, and I will be joining it on April the 9th and see what's going on there and what the normal price for stuff is nowadays, because everything is now skyrocketing. I do understand that certain things are getting more expensive, especially transportation, but anyway, it's like totally crazy. So anyway, what do I have here is Carole King's 1971 Tapestry album. I hope I spelled it correct. And I know Carole King and her former husband are one of the greatest songwriting duos, and she's a legendary songwriter. And I don't know if it was on Noble Records or the In Groove, one of these 2 YouTube channels, which if you don't know them, I can only recommend, said at least one household in the United States is having one version of that record. So I haven't heard that record at all. I heard some songs of that, but yeah, I heard it on Spotify and I immediately loved it. It's an absolutely great record. So I asked a friend of mine, what's the best version to get? And he said, well, sound-wise, it's the MOFI version, 45 RPM. And I said, do I need to take a credit to buy that, or I'm just going with a reissue or something like this with a good sound quality? And he made me aware of iMusic, which is from Denmark, and they still had that MOFI version for a reasonable price. But like I said, it's been 6 months ago. I waited 6 months for the delivery of that record. And yeah, I would say let's open it up and see it. Packaging is very, very good. I've seen worse. I never got a record in a pizza thing, you know. I've heard that some people were getting it in those kind of postage stuff. I never got that. But I've heard that that's also quite common. I think if you are sending out records, at least some month ago it was easy to get packaging stuff for records, so I would say you charge a little more for postage and make sure that it's been properly packed instead of using something which has been delivered, where food has been delivered in. So anyway, so let's see. Very well packaged. Really, no complaints about that. hope it's not getting too loud for you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, looks very good. No scuffing so far on it. Here it is. Hope you can see that. That's a pretty cool box. What MOFI is doing with it. They announced a huge amount of records they're gonna release, and this is the one-step version. And now pressed on super vinyl. Some if you order from Analog Productions, they have the UHQRs on that. So yeah, and this is number 5631. Get that number up here. I hope you can see that. And there's some stickers. There's a hyper sticker on it, which says Ultra Disc One Step, and you have from iMusic another sticker. Yeah. So let's open it up. I do keep the hyper stickers usually and put them in a package or something. Some people throw them away. I like to keep them. This is very beautifully done. It's a very soft touch feeling to this box set. I heard that the Marvin Gaye box set of this is tremendously good, absolutely outstanding, but not affordable. This box, if you want to have it, is if you live in the United States, you can get it for $150. If I would order it, I would be about $200 because of the shipping, and then the highest version is $500. So, but before you go and check on Discogs, you may check PopPsych, where you can see a better pricing than what Discogs is sometimes saying what it's worth. So let's see. This is actually my first MOFI one step, and I've seen some in the internet where they also have this paper where they explain what the one step is, and that you are next to a traditional process till you have your final vinyl version lose some qualities because the process is longer, and here you have a shorter process, so a higher quality with this. So what we have here, a very thick cardboard. As I don't have the original copy, I don't know if this was the intended to be a replica of the cover. This is inside, this is the back. So I hope you can see that better. This is the track listing. This is the track listing of the song. So, LP1, okay. Okay, let's see. Also, this is great. The packaging of this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So we have here LP1. As it's the 545 RPM version, you have 3 tracks on every side on LP1. And yes, I do open usually every record I get because I want to listen to them. I know of some people who ordered 2 versions, one to keep and one to listen to. So, I can't afford that, and for me, music is there to play it, and it's not something for the museum. So, let's see LP2. Yeah, that's what I want from this kind of release. That's why I love this. They put it in the MOFI sleeves, of course. They created them. This is I can see through this vinyl. I haven't, like I said, it's my first MOFI 45. It's my first one step, so this must be the super vinyl, which is with the UHQR. It's a milky thing, so that's pretty cool. And no scratches, some dirt on it, but looks fantastic. Looks absolutely great. So I'm gonna play this this evening, and I can hardly wait to do that because I waited 6 months, and it's a great record. So yeah, I'll be happy to do that. And I hope you enjoyed the video so far. And yeah, I'm wishing you a great week and all the best. And hope to see you guys soon. Stay healthy, stay safe, listen to good music. Thanks for watching, and all the best for you. Bye.